The year is 2025. The world is going about its business, but in the depths of space, something is happening that could change history forever. Astronomers detect an interstellar object flying directly towards our solar system. It's given the boring scientific name, 3I/ATLAS. Officially, it's just a comet. But is it really? Soon, a debate begins in the scientific world because some researchers see something else in this object. Something that shouldn't exist. Something that is flying straight at us. While most scientists are reassuring the public by calling it a comet, a man dares to speak the truth. Avi Loeb, the famous Harvard astrophysicist who has shocked the world with his theories before. He was the first to claim that the previously observed object ʻOumuamua was an alien ship. Now he's doing the same for 3I/ATLAS. He points to anomalies in the object's trajectory, its unusual shape, and other details. His colleagues ridicule him, but Loeb doesn't give up, because he knows that his hypotheses are not just speculation, but the only way to prepare humanity for what is inevitable. Let's imagine. What if Avi Loeb is right? What if it's not a comet? What is this object? A reconnaissance probe that came to study our civilization? A colonization ship looking for a new home? Or even worse, a weapon aimed at us? If it's an alien ship, it's probably already under the surveillance of special services. They're not telling us anything because the authorities are afraid of the panic that could ensue, because they don't know what to do, and because they're preparing. And when the object is visible to the naked eye, it will already be too late to change anything. According to calculations, 3I/ATLAS will pass at a safe distance from Earth. But who says those calculations are correct? If it's a ship, it can change its trajectory. We've been observing it for a few months, but what about the last few weeks, when the object abruptly gets closer to Earth? Who knows what it might do once it's in our solar system? This object could be invisible to our radars or possess technologies we can't even imagine. And when it's right above our heads, we won't be able to do anything. While all the internet forums are buzzing about this object, official sources remain silent. NASA and other space agencies only make sparse, reassuring statements. This in itself is alarming. Why is there such silence when everyone is talking about a cosmic intruder? Perhaps they've been forbidden from saying anything. Perhaps they don't know what's happening themselves. Or perhaps they have already made contact with it, but are afraid to tell us what's coming. And this fear is conveyed even through their silence. So what is it really? A simple comet or an alien ship? There are two truths. One they force us to believe, and another that even scientists are afraid to believe. Maybe in a few months, we'll see an incredible sight in the sky. Maybe nothing will happen, and this object will just fly by, as officials tell us. Or maybe it no longer matters because they are already here. We will never know until we look at the stars. What do you think about all this? Are we really waiting for new upheavals and events that modern man has not seen yet? Share your opinion in the comments and take care.